Hi again, everybody. Perfect Storm Trading here. It's Saturday morning, May 28th, 2022. We're getting near the end of May. Let's review our swing dates that we had given out for May and take a look at what happened in the three markets that we follow. So, what we had put out for May were dates of the 5th, 9th, 14th, 17th, a period of potential chop from the 19th to the 22nd, and then the 24th and 29th. There were a lot of cycles coming together this month, and this was going to create a lot of back and forth, up and down, small swings because of so many dates so close together. Looking at the Bitcoin chart first, you can see that after the first week of the month, we basically have gone into this sideways choppy motion here. But I put vertical lines on the dates. The high here came in on the 4th, one day early, hard down on the 5th, right into the 9th, where we didn't make low. We made low on the 10th and got a slight bounce back up. The low came on the 12th. On the 14th, we had a very minor low. You can see right there we made a very minor low from the prior day, so we did get a pivot. We were up until the 16th, where it turned down one day early. And then you can see the period from the 19th to the 22nd was chop. We got a low, minor low on the 24th, traded up one day to the 25th, then back down. And now we're looking at the 29th. Let's see what happens here over the weekend. Wherever we pivot in Bitcoin, the other markets should pivot accordingly. So with the 3-day holiday weekend here in the United States, Bitcoin will give us an indication of where the ES is going to turn and the gold market's going to turn on Tuesday when we get back to trading. Okay, so there's Bitcoin. Pretty good except for the 9th. That was pretty much the case in the other markets too. Let's bring gold in and see what gold looks like. Here's the gold chart. We had high on the 5th. Coming down, the 9th was basically a failed date, as it was in just about every market. The 14th was on the weekend. We had the low come in on Monday the 16th, so that was there. We got a minor high on the 17th. Those dates were basically back to back, the 16th, 17th, so we went low high one day right after each other. Looking at the 24th, we came in high. The 17th basically was merged with the 14th with the 16th pivot, so nothing there. We got the high on the 24th. We didn't really get chop 19 to 22. We just continued in the upswing after that ABC leg down on gold. We just went right through slightly up in that choppy zone, making high on the 24th, and now we'll see where we go here on the 29th. So we'll follow the Bitcoin action to see what happens. Let's move to the ES. Here's the ES chart. Excuse me. The high was on the 4th. We did not get anything on the 9th. Again, we passed right through the 9th. The low came in on the 12th. Again, we wrapped the weekend of the 14th, 17th. We had a little bit of a reversal in there, but didn't even make a new low, just had a downward draft on that day. And then we made high the 17th, pushed down for a couple days, hit that zone 19 to 22 with a low coming in on the 20th. And then on the 24th, we had the low, which triggered us into this current upswing. So looking for this swing up to end here this weekend with this date of the 29th. So I'm kind of thinking when we come back on Tuesday, we're probably going to be rolling back over. So we'll see what happens. Right now I've got this line plotted on the 30th. Right here we're in the holiday weekend, the 28th, 29th, 30th, so I can't kind of anticipate this high came in yesterday. We may push to a slightly new high as trading resumes, but I would expect that we're going to roll back down here on the ES. So that's it for today. That's the recap. I'll project some dates for June and put those out within the next few days.